I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cashew praline. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of raw cashews, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. These basic items are all you need to create a delightful, crunchy treat right in your own kitchen. Get ready to transform these simple components into something truly special. Now let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup come to a boil. Continue to boil until it reaches the soft ball stage, which is about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for the perfect praline texture. Once your syrup reaches the correct temperature, it's time for the cashews. Carefully add your 1 cup of raw cashews directly into the hot sugar syrup. Stir continuously and vigorously. You'll notice the syrup starting to crystallize and coat the cashews, creating a sandy texture. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. Then, quickly stir in your 1 tablespoon of butter and the pinch of salt. This adds richness and balances the sweetness. Finally, for the last step, quickly spread the cashew praline mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Use a fork or two to separate the cashews as much as possible before the praline cools and hardens. This ensures individual crunchy pieces. Let it cool completely at room temperature. This is key for that perfect snap. Once cool, break apart any remaining clumps and enjoy your homemade cashew praline. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.